Hamdon Hill, sometimes known as Ham Hill to the locals, standing at the bottom of Widdicombe Valley looking up towards Butcher's Hill to see how imposing and impregnable this hill fort was. This 85-hectare hill fort is the largest hill fort in Europe. It has 3 fields at the back of this hill fort, which have been heavily geofreezed this year and proved to have an Iron Age community living at the back. With its enclosures, hut circles and storage pits with the road leading north to south. Even today there is a road leading north to south over the hill fort, with a pub at one end of it, some kennels, 2 working quarries and a few car parks with a lot of country walks. On walking round the hill fort we come to the northern spur on the eastern side where there's possibly a remaining gateway. Standing on the northeastern edge of the northern spur inside the ramparts to see how impressive these ramparts are, some of the largest ramparts on the hill fort itself, vastly overgrown by trees and shrubs today, but still can be easily seen. Looking down onto these ramparts we can see how awe-inspiring and how well built these ramparts really are. Allowing for 2,000 years of erosion, we can safely say these ramparts were at least 10 foot deeper and 10 foot higher in places. Standing on a palisade on the northern edge of the northern spur, overlooking the Somerset levels, 2,000 years ago in the winter this would have been swampland and probably farmed in the summer months. This is a hugely resourceful area to have a hill fort. Now we are going to take a look at the interior of the northern spur, how it would have looked 2,000 years ago to the Iron Age inhabitants. Even with no trees back then, it would have been really hard to see from one end of the hill fort to the other, and even harder to police and patrol. Ham Hill gets its name from the hamstone that has been quarried here for the past 2,000 years, with a hill fort that sits on top of a 450-foot hill with commanding views of the Somerset levels and does possibly overlook another tribal area.